Masingabheka ku question 3 sinikeziwe i-sequence basitshela ukuthi i-arithmetic sequence. Sesiyazi formula ye-arithmetic sequence. Ithi nth term is equals to a plus into n minus 1 into d. Now, determine a formula for the nth term of the sequence. Nth term, this is my solutions, 3.1.1 is that the nth term is equal to, like on a first term value, so we've got minus 3 plus into n minus 1. Then you need to look at for difference. 1 minus minus 3, 4. 5 minus 1, 4, and so forth. So difference as a be equal you 4. And again, the sequence layout is 393. So umanga bi term is 393. The nth term yakona siyazi what ukuthi ba. But the formula we can simplify it further, removing of 4 down. You've got 4 times n, 4n, 4 times negative 4 minus 3 minus 7. So this is your formula for the n term. Then 3.1.2, what's it? Write down the 4th, the 5th, the 6th, and the 7th terms of the sequence. So the 4th term, akona n, gifaga 4 minus 7. The 5th, akona n, gifaga 5 minus 7. The 6th, akona n, gifaga 6 minus 7. The 7th, akona n, gifaga 7 minus 7. So just use the calculator. So we've got 4 times 4 minus 1. So the first, we've got 4 into 4 minus 7. So your answer is 9. N, so let's change 4 to 5 minus 18. 84 la, 17, 84 la, 21. Now, equation ilandelayo isithi manje, which is 3.1.3. Write down the remainders when each of the first 7 terms of the sequence is divided by 3. So I think it's 2 minus 3 divide by 3. Ingabe khona remainder salayo ayikho, ifake ikani. Ngize la ku1. U1 mangimdivide ngo3, i-remainder 1. So singakushala ngecalculator, it's 1 divided by 3. The answer 1 over 3. So 1 i-remainder. So ngize la ku5. Itshemelandelana. Ngizothi 5 divided by 3 in a mixed fraction number, i-remainder 2. Gize ku-term yes4 9. 9 divided by 3 ayikho remainder salayo, because bathe la bafuna sibhala ama remainders kuphela. Bese ngiza ku13, u3 uyaya ku12 bese kusale remainder u1 ukuze kube u13. So remainder 1 inamba esalayo kahle kahle remainder. And then bese ngiza ku17, u3 uyanga ku17 uyaya bese kusale remainder because uya ku15 bese kusala u2 as a remainder. Ku21 uyaya ngasale remainder. So into abayifuna yilento kahle kahle. Bafuna sibhala ama remainders. So 0 la kuthi makala la 1 ila kanjalo. Now 3.1.4 let us calculate the sum of the terms in the arithmetic sequence that are divisible by 3. Now ukuze sikwazi ukuthola isum yala, kumele sazi kokuqala ukuthi mangaki ama-term that are divisible by 3. And we know ukuthi yokuqala it was negative 3. Lo ubungena remainder. Phinde kube le term ka9 ibingena remainder. Phinde kulandela u21 ubungenayo ini remainder. So let me write those down. Law ma-term. Go minus 3 kuze u9 kuze u21. Now, let me check ukuthi these number patterns anginikeza ukuze ngizokwazi ukuthola ukuthi mangakule ma-10 uma ngathola iformula yakhona, and then bese ngazi ukuthi mangakule ma-10 then ngizobe sengazi everything, because remember laphezulu sinikeziwe i-last term laphezulu. I-last term basitshelile ukuthi iyaqhubeka ize ifike ku-393. So now uma ifika ku-393 okusho ukuthi i-nth term yami will be the last term, because lento ibizwa ngokuthiwa i-last term or ibizwa ngokuthiwa i-nth term. Now if I say common difference, common difference, if it's common then it's got an arithmetic. 9 minus 3, then what's the difference? It's 12. Okay. 21 minus 9, and the difference is 12. So I've got 12 la, 12 la. I've said the nth term 393. Now therefore, which means I'm using an arithmetic sequence. Let's see, a plus into n minus 1 into d. Now the nth term, which is 393. First term or minus 3. Remember, awusathathi lela paphezulu iphethini manje, because it's finally which are divisible by 3. Now plus n awumazi for those terms that are divisible by 3, and you know the difference here you 12. Now let's remove the bracket. So here you will have 12 times n, 12n. 12 times negative 1, you've got negative 12. Minus 3, you've got negative 15. 393. Then 12n, sorry. Then 12n uzobe selingana nobani manje. Uthathe negative 15 ulethe ngapha uzobona 393 plus 15 uzokunikeza 408. And then 408 uzodivide ngo 12. Then uzobe usuthola n wakho. It has to be 408 divided by 12, 34. Yeah, 34. We've got 34. So our terms kule sequence lela that are divisible by 3 out 34. Abafuni ukwazi ukuthi ama terms amanga. Bafuna isum yawo. So wena usuzosho ukuthi sum to n term of an arithmetic sequence n over 2 into 2a plus into n minus 1 into d. Now, sum of 34 terms, because we have the terms of 34. La kona n ifakwe 34 over 2. A wako, you know A wako go to fagabanu minus 3. Plus into 34 minus 1. And the difference, you know, it's logo 12. Bese uyayithola isum. And ikhona enye indlela ongenza ngayo, you can say 34 over 2 into negative 3 plus n wakho 34 minus 1, difference yakhona it's 12. So it's 6,608 isum yalawo mathemba. There is another way, because we were given in last term. Singasho ukuthi sum to n term is equal to n over 2 into a plus e last term. Equal 34 la over 2. A wako negative 3 plus l is for e last term, because until l is for e last term ngofaka 393 la. So bungenza ngale ndlela. So it's 34 over 2 into negative 3 plus 393. Then you see it's totally answer final 6,610. 6,608. So ungenza ngale ndlela noma ungenza ngale ndlela after you found the roots mangaka amathemba.
This podcast was proudly sponsored by PPR Education. Podcast Partnership Recognition.